Greetings from Nova Auto Sale in sunny South Florida. Up for sale today, this 2022 Ford F-350 XL utility truck. Look at this, beautiful condition. It's only got 25 miles on it right now. 26 miles. We just drove it right now. Beautiful condition. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and give it a quick walk around, then we'll take it panel by panel and show you the condition of this vehicle. Really nice condition, man. Beautiful truck. All right, let's go ahead and give it a quick walk around, then we'll take it panel by panel, show you the tires, the interior, everything on this vehicle. Beautiful shape. Really nice utility box in the back. Amazing. Very nice. Truck's brand new. All right, let's take a look at the front here. Front fender, driver's side. Beautiful condition, outstanding shape. Very nice. Take a look at the front bumper, amazing condition. Really outstanding shape there. Look at the headlights here, amazing condition. Grill's in beautiful shape, brand new. The other headlamp also in amazing condition. Take a look at the hood, hood's in amazing shape. Super clean, not a mark on it, looks fantastic. Taking a look at the front fender on the passenger side, amazing condition, clean throughout, super clean. Look at that, very nice. Passenger door, amazing condition there, brand new, very nice shape. Take a look at those mirrors, turn signals on them, very nice. Glasses in beautiful shape, super clean. Let's take a look at the utility box in the back. Really amazing condition. Very nice. This is so nice, so clean. It's got a little imperfection here, a little hit right there. Nothing major. Walking towards the side here in the back. The rear looks perfect, no marks or anything to show there. Rear bumper's in outstanding shape. Look at that hitch down there. Very nice. Look at the backup camera. Beautiful. Okay, now we're taking a look on the driver's side. Looks amazing. This door here is in great shape. Nothing to show there. This door here does have a couple dimples here on the paint. A couple small dents here. Besides that, looks good. This one also here has some imperfections here and a little bit of scratch marks here on this area here. Couple dimples here on this. Couple small scratches there. Nothing major. Couple small scratches there. Looks good overall, but it does have some imperfections on this side here. Door looks good, very nice. It's a dent right there. You can see there. Nothing major. Besides that, looks very nice. Take a look at the front door. Driver, amazing condition. Looks good. Mirror's in great shape. Look at that. Beautiful condition on that mirror. Take a look at the windshield, also in beautiful shape. Very nice. Let's step up there and take a look at the roof. Really nice shape. It's got a little scuff right here. Nice condition overall. Very nice. Beautiful shape. All right, so pretty much that concludes our walk around here. Stay tuned. We're going to go ahead and take a look at the interior. Then we'll take a look at those tires and under the hood and take a look at that utility box a little bit closer. Very nice. Okay, we're taking a look at the door panel, driver's side. Beautiful condition. Take a look at the controls, brand new. Power locks, power windows, power mirrors, very nice. Armrest is in beautiful shape. Take a look at that driver's seat. Ooh, beautiful shape, brand new. 3 passengers fit in here. Very nice, spacious. Dashboard, steering wheel, everything's in beautiful condition. Rubber floors are brand new. Outstanding shape. Can't get any better than this. Very nice. Take a close look here. Door panel, passenger side, amazing condition. Power window, power lock controller, armrest, beautiful shape. It's got some pockets down there for some stuff. Speaker on the door, very nice. Passenger seat, also in amazing condition. Super clean, looks brand new. Take a look at the rubber floor, also in amazing shape. Very nice condition. Seats 3 passengers. Beautiful shape. Take a look at the liner on there, brand new. Visors are still wrapped from the dealer. Really amazing condition. Super, super clean. Let's insert one of these keys here. And we'll start her up right now. Starts up perfect, very nice. Okay, let's go ahead and take a closer look here. AC is nice and cold. Beautiful. We got miles till empty. Look at it, goes through like that. Look at that. Very nice. So we'll go ahead and leave it on miles till empty. Where's that? 99 miles till empty. There it is. It's got 27 miles. I just drove for about 3 miles. It's got 27 miles. All the gauges, everything's fully functional, no issues at all. Very nice. Let's go ahead and take a look at some of the features on this. So it's got the information controller here. It's got the cruise control here. Volume control for the radio. Down here it's got, I believe this vehicle does have Bluetooth on it. The little phone right there, so it does have Bluetooth on it. And you can hang up the calls and stuff from here. Really nice. Now we're looking up above here. We have the drive mode. You can press that button there, and you can shift it manually also with this buttons here. You can put it on manual down there. Okay, and then we're looking at the controls here for the mirrors, power windows, controls for the lights. These are for the mirrors on the sides. I'm guessing that's the heat on the mirrors, because when I open this window here, I can see that it has a little thing there for heat. Okay, so let's go ahead and take a look at some of the other features on here. So we have the radio, which is really nice. It also has backup camera. So when you put it in reverse, and you get the backup camera there. Super nice. Okay, it says media, phone. It's got a bunch of stuff. So this is the controls for the radio. Down below, your AC controls. Down below that, you have your USB plug, your power plug there. Very nice. Let's take a look at the dashboard. Dashboard's in beautiful condition. Very nice. Up above here, look at this. The visors are still wrapped in plastic from when it was brand new. But it's still brand new. It has 27 miles. Take a look at these accessory switches here on the roof for the courtesy lights on top there. Take a look at the mirror. The mirror still has a sticker on it. You can take that off when you buy the truck. Got a headliner, beautiful condition. Seats are in amazing shape, looks brand new. Can't get any cleaner than this, man. Very nice. There's a glove box in there. Look at that. And it has your little thing there to turn on and off the passenger airbag. You have your 12-volt plugs there. Put your spare change in there. Really nice. I mean, it's in beautiful shape. Can't get any cleaner than this. Very nice condition. 2022, 27 miles. Amazing condition. Very, very nice. All right, stay tuned, guys. We're going to go ahead and take it for a test drive in a moment. Okay, we're all set. Take it for a little test drive here. 2022 Ford F-350. Right now it has 29 miles on it. Really nice. Drives beautiful. It's got a utility bed in the back that's really nice. 4 brand new tires. Drives amazing. Man, it's so smooth. We're going almost 60. Look how smooth this thing is. Now this one's nice. It has a lot of accessories on it. It's got the cruise control, which is a nice feature. It's got Bluetooth, backup camera. Really nice. Really well equipped for an XL. Power windows, power locks. I mean, I don't think you can get any better for a work truck like this. super smooth. Super nice drive. Okay, nice little extra this one has. This one has backup camera. We'll go ahead and test it out in a moment here. Really nice option. Alright, so when you put it in reverse, here we go. I'm going to pull over here on the side. When you put it in reverse, again, your backup camera comes up automatically. Look at that. That's it. There you go. You got your backup camera. Fantastic. Alright guys, stay tuned. We're going to go ahead and take a look at the utility box, take a look at those tires and engine compartment. We're going to check out the box in the back. The utility box. Now, as soon as you press unlock, it unlocks all the locks here. So as you can see here, I'm going to go ahead and lock it. They're all locked now. See? It won't open up for you. You can go ahead and use the key if you'd like. It's got two keys, one for each side. There you go. You can open up with the key, or you can just come over here and unlock the truck. So as soon as you unlock the truck, it gives you access to all the doors. So let's go ahead and take a look. It's got two shelves in here. Really nice. Separators on the shelves. Beautiful. Doors in beautiful shape. It's got a dent right here. You can see there. A little bit of damage there. Nothing big time. The center door opens up perfect. This one doesn't have any shelves in there. It's got a big dent inside here. You can see there, nothing major. Besides that, looks good. Rear door. Open that one up. Looks perfect. Very nice. It's got one shelf in there. Beautiful. The back here opens up like this. You can open it up. You can bring down the flap on the bottom. There's the spare tire. Really nice. It's all covered, so in case it's stored in there and it rains or whatever, it won't get wet. And this folds down. Okay, let's walk to the other side here. They're all unlocked because, of course, we unlocked it from the inside of the truck. There you go. This one has one shelf here. The center one here. This one has a shelf here. Very nice with the separators on it. Beautiful shape. Front doors, perfect. Take a look here. Very nice. Really amazing shape. They close up amazing. No issues at all. And then when you're done doing your work or servicing something at the moment, you can get in your truck, lock it up, and all the doors are locked. So nobody can access your doors while you have the truck locked. They're all locked up now. All right, fantastic. That's what it is. Really nice feature. Now, we did show some imperfections here in the walk around video. I'm going ahead and show it to you now. It's got a couple little scratches here and there, imperfections on the paint up here, a couple scratches here, a couple up here. Nothing major. It's got a dent here and another little dent behind this door. Besides that, that's the only imperfection on this box. That's it. That's what it looks like to me. All right, really nice. So, like I said, you can unlock it and lock it from here. And that gives you access to the whole thing. Fantastic. Okay, let's take a look at the engine compartment. Brand new 6.2 liter V8. Beautiful condition. You could put E85 on this one, save a little bit of money on the fuel. Very nice. Look at this. Amazing condition. Brand new. The labels from Ford there. Very nice condition. Amazing. And this truck has side steps here to get in and out. Really nice. Truck's a little bit high because of 350, but it's really well equipped. We're taking a look at the front tire, driver's side. Tire's brand new. Look at the tread on there, brand new. Rim is clean and in outstanding shape. Very nice, Continental tire. Amazing condition, 275, 65, 18. Beautiful tire. Take a look at the rear tire on the driver's side. Tire's brand new. Rim is in outstanding shape, very nice condition. Continental tire, brand new, beautiful shape. Take a look at the rear tire on the passenger side. Brand new tire, very nice condition. Look at the tire tread on there, amazing. Rim is clean and in beautiful shape, really outstanding condition. Very nice. Look at the front passenger side tire, brand new, very nice. All tires are Michelin, they're all matching. Rim is in beautiful shape, really outstanding condition. Look at that. Very nice. Okay, well that's going to conclude our video for this 2022 Ford F-350 with a utility box in the back. Really nice. Beautiful condition. 27 miles on the clock. Brand new truck. If you guys have any questions for this one, please feel free to call 786-431-9046 or visit our website for more information, novaautosales.net. Thanks for watching.